Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Your system is updated and you're signed into your account because updates often add well-being features. Next, open Settings and navigate to System, then Digital Wellbeing, or install the official app if it's not present. Doing this ensures feature parity and accurate usage tracking. Once done, grant required permissions like activity access and notifications so the tool can measure app use and screen time. That data is what lets you set meaningful limits. Now you configure the core controls. Pick apps or categories and assign daily limits in minutes or hours because specific caps change behavior more than vague goals. Then create focus schedules, work, study, sleep, with start and end times and whitelist exceptions for essential apps. Make sure to link Do Not Disturb rules so notifications respect your focus windows. That reduces interruptions. Finally, enable gentle reminders and automatic enforcement so limits apply without manual intervention. Finish by reviewing your first week of reports to see where to tighten or relax limits. Data-driven tweaks work better than guesswork. Then enable automation features like bedtime mode, app pausing, and cross-device sync so rules apply without thinking. Make sure backup and recovery are enabled if you rely on cloud settings. If something doesn't work, check app permissions, background activity, and OS power settings. These commonly block tracking. If problems persist, restart the system and re-grant permissions to restore correct behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.